What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Smoking Jazz Barbecue. And today we're going to be doing something at home inside the kitchen instead of the outdoors where my grills is at. So I feel as though this guy, he loves to be on a video. He's very affectionate, guys. I can't help it. That's my boy. That's my boy Cruz. And if you guys ever wonder what's his name is Cruz, like Chevy Cruz. Anyway, guys, we're gonna be doing some roast pork, and I'm gonna do a shredded roast pork inside the kitchen, and I'm gonna use a crock pot. Excuse me, not a crack pot. You don't want the crack pot. A crock pot, guys. And we're gonna be doing some shredded pork, and we're gonna just set it and forget it. That's the whole entire idea. Just set it and forget it. Man, oh man. Whew. Oh, by the way, this is some good coffee. This is, I don't know if you can see that, but this is Meat Creamer's favorite place to get coffee from. I'm lying. I'm actually lying. He hates this place, but this is my favorite spot because this is the only place I get my iced coffee from. I don't go to Starbucks. I'm not paying $20 for a cup like this size for, making them richer, but I don't even go to Dunkin' Donuts or 7-Eleven for that matter. So I just go to good old Wawa, which is in my neck of the woods and on the eastern side of the states. But this is my favorite drink, guys, in the morning. Oh man, gets me going for for the rest of the day. So anyway, guys, if you like barbecuing and grilling, this is your channel, and we're gonna start this thing right now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, all the ingredients you see right here will be listed down below in the description box, and also these are widely available at your local supermarket. So let's turn our slow cooker to the high setting and let this cook for about 4 hours. So time to incorporate our rub into this roast pork right here. But first we gotta add a binder. And all we doing is using some good old extra virgin olive oil. Be sure to coat both sides just to make sure the rub sticks to it, guys. And then we're gonna add our rub liberally. Make sure that you apply the rub on both sides and make sure you pat that down as I'm doing right there. We're gonna save some of that raw for our stock because we're gonna add that as a flavoring agent as well. Now, since our crock pot has come up to temp, we're gonna add extra virgin olive oil again and use the fat kept side down on that roast pork just to flavor the rest of our stock and vegetables. So we're gonna add all our vegetables at this point and just make sure you add as much as you can without overcrowding it. And there we're gonna add our rest of our barbecue rub that we just made. And also we're gonna add the entire quart of that chicken stock that you see right there. Oh man, there's gonna be some good stuff right here, guys. Now guys, comment down below, let me know what you add and use on your crock pot cooks. How do you make your roast pork in the crock pot? Let me know down below in the comments, guys. So this is the results of it. Hold on, let me give you a better close-up look. Time for the big reveal. Oh yeah, simple, easy, comfort food for the soul, especially when it's cold outside and you feel like being lazy. Just set it and forget it, man. All right, guys, so I'm gonna scoop this up and I'm gonna shred the pork. I'm gonna show you how to do that real quick, and then we're gonna chow down and give it a little taste test and see what the flavors are looking like. All right, so I'm gonna attempt to remove some of the stuff. As you can see, oh man. Ooh, baby. There go our pork roast. Oh, look at that. Falling off the bone. Well, there's no bone, but falling just apart. Look at that. Tender. Look at that. Oh, man. I'm trying to grab this without spilling it. Look at that, guys. Look at that beauty. Oh man. Don't throw this au jus away, or this, if you want to call it soup or whatever, but save that, guys. You can, make some gravy with it, add some rice, or, dip in some, sandwiches. Oh man, it's gonna be so good. All right, so I'm about to show you how to shred this, and I'm gonna add a special sauce to it. So there's a two process you can do this. You can do that with your bare hands, but it's a little steamy hot right now, so I'm not doing it. So I'm gonna use 2 forks. Simple as that. And just simply shred it apart. Just like so. Oh man. This is looking and smelling phenomenal. You can definitely smell the garlic from the Mrs. Dash. You can actually smell the bacon as well from that bacon rub that we got from Pit Boss, the hickory bacon. Oh man, I don't know if you can see that the glistening, it is moist, still moist. You have many options to do with this shredded pork. You can either make sandwiches with it, or just simply eat it like so, with a little bit of starch or rice, or if those who on a keto diet, no starch, but this would be just perfect the way it is. But I'm gonna add a little bit of sauce to it, and we're gonna definitely chow down. All right, guys, so we're gonna use the sauces we did on our previous cook with Scott Bailey sauces from the Real Show Barbecue. And we're gonna use the Eastern North Carolina sauce, which is a vinegar-based sauce. And then we're gonna add it with some sweet Memphis sauce. Oh man. Now he stated that these two sauces combined together makes an excellent sauce. So we're gonna definitely mix these up together and add it to our shredded pork. And we're gonna find out how good that sauce combined and how it's gonna elevate our pork to the next level. So we mix the sauces together, and this is what the final results. So I added 50-50 equal parts of each sauce. Again, we're using the sweet Memphis and the Eastern North Carolina sauce mixing together, and we're about to pour these sauce on top of this. Get that little bit of remaining left. I'm not wasting the sauce because it's so good. All right, guys, so we're just gonna mix it up together like so. And just to elevate a little bit more flavor, we're gonna add our hickory bacon to it from the Pit Boss brand. Just a little light dusting. We're gonna mix this again. Oh man, this smells so good, guys. I wish they made smeller tube, because I'm telling you, this smells so good. All right, so let's give it a taste test, and we're gonna see how good this is, guys. All right, guys, so let's do the taste test. This looks phenomenal. I mean, what else can you ask for? Roast pork in a crock pot, just set it and forget it. We cooked this about 4 hours or so, and then shred it to this consistency. We added that special sauce from Scott's Bailey special sauces, the sweet Memphis, the Eastern North Carolina, and we mix them together. And we just added a little bit of the Pit Boss hickory bacon to this, just to elevate the flavors a little bit more. So we're about to give it a taste test and see how good this is. So let's find out. Wow. I mean, it is phenomenal. Scott Bailey, my brother, you got something going on here with these sauces, brother. These are good, especially on pork. I gotta have another bite, man. Very good sauce, guys. Oh man. So I'm gonna tear this up, You guys go ahead and smash that button right now, the subscribe button. Share this video with all your family and friends. Until we meet again, peace.